Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Touille. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off near the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with a small curve. Then from both ends, let's draw an angle up and out. And then a curve underneath for both eyes. Now top to the center and let's draw a curve up on top of each eye. And then inside each eye, let's draw an oval towards the center. And then color the rest of the eyes in black. Now top on top of each eye and let's draw the eyebrows. Let's draw a wavy line up and out like this. And then thicken each of them up towards the outside. Next, we're going to hop down in between the eyes and let's draw the nose. Let's start with a curve across, and then a V shape underneath. Now underneath for the mouth, let's draw two curves out, and then curve it up again next to the eyes. Then at the top, let's draw a curve across, and then a large curve underneath to form the shape of the mouth. Next, let's hop inside the mouth and let's draw the teeth. At the top, let's draw a line down in the center. Then shorter lines on both sides, and then angle it back down like this. Next, inside the mouth at the bottom, let's draw two bumps for the tongue. And then color the rest of the mouth in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's move out and let's start drawing the shape of the head. Let's start next to each eye and let's draw a curve out. And then a V-shaped notch in on both sides. And then a curve across underneath. Now top on top in the center and let's draw two curved V-shapes up. And then curve it down on both sides. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's move on top and let's draw the ears. Let's start with a large curve up and back down on the left side. And then for the right side, let's draw a curve up, stopping here. Now let's draw a V-shaped notch in, an angle down, another notch in, and then curve it back in. Now inside each of the ears, let's draw another curve down towards the center. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop down and let's draw the body. Underneath the head, let's draw a curve out and curve it back in, and the same thing on the right. And now let's do the same thing inside for the belly patch. Now inside in the center, let's draw the necklace. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw two angles down and in. And then add a small square underneath. Now for the fish, let's start by drawing a line across for the tail, and then angle both of them in underneath. Now underneath on both sides, let's draw a wavy line with 3 bumps down like this. And then bring it out on both sides. Now underneath both sides, let's draw a curve down, leaving a gap in the center. And then in the gap, let's draw a curve up and back down. And then a circle inside for the eye. And that's it for the necklace. Now let's hop out and let's draw the arms. Let's start underneath the head on both sides and let's draw a curve down and bring it out. And then a curve up underneath. Now let's hop down and let's draw a bent curve line up for the bottom side of the arms. And then let's add a curve across inside. Next, let's add the fingers. From the top line, let's draw a curve up and back down. Then for the next finger, let's curve it outwards and back in. And then 2 more fingers to close off the hand. And lastly, let's draw a small curve inside on the palms. And that's it for the arms. Now let's hop down and let's draw the legs. Let's start with 2 angled lines down underneath in the center. And then 2 shorter ones on the sides. Now for the feet, let's curve it out and bring it down. And then close off the bottom of each foot. Next, we're going to hop inside and let's draw a curve across near the ankles. And then 2 curves at the ends for the toes. Now that we're done the body, lastly, let's add the tail. On the bottom left, let's draw a curve out and curve it up. And then curve it back in underneath. And then add some curved stripes inside. And that's it for Touille. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!